If you think getting older inevitably means becoming weaker and frailer, you're dangerously wrong. There's a silent enemy stealing your strength right now, and it's not age, it's sarcopenia. Imagine this. One day, climbing stairs feels exhausting. Soon, lifting groceries or even holding your grandchild becomes a struggle. You might dismiss these signs, thinking, it's just part of getting older. But here's the brutal truth. Muscle loss after 60 is not only preventable, it's reversible if you take action now. Ignoring these early signs doesn't just make you weaker, it could mean losing your independence, your confidence, and even years of your active life. But the solution is simpler than you think, and it's hiding in plain sight, in your own kitchen. Stay with me, because in the next 30 minutes, you'll discover powerful ways to stop this silent enemy, regain your strength, and reclaim control over your life, one bite at a time. If you think becoming weaker is simply an unavoidable part of aging, you're dangerously mistaken. There's a hidden threat quietly stealing away your strength right now, and its name is sarcopenia. Many older Americans unknowingly allow this silent thief to rob them of muscle, balance, and independence, believing it's just another inconvenience of growing older. Let me be crystal clear. Muscle loss after the age of 60 is not inevitable. It's preventable, and it's even reversible. But only if you act immediately. Take the story of John, a 68-year-old retired teacher living in Florida. John noticed climbing the stairs in his home had become increasingly exhausting. Soon, lifting groceries felt challenging, and picking up his granddaughter felt nearly impossible. At first, he brushed it off, thinking, "It's just my age." But John's mistake was ignoring early signs of sarcopenia, the gradual and dangerous loss of muscle that affects millions of older adults. Thankfully, after learning about proper nutrition and gentle exercises, John reversed these symptoms. Today, he's back to enjoying active family days, stronger than ever. You too can reclaim your strength, but first, let's correct a common misconception. Eggs aren't your only protein solution. Many Americans rely heavily on eggs, mistakenly believing they're the best source of protein. The truth is, other everyday foods offer even more powerful benefits for older adults. Chicken breast, for example, provides twice the protein content of eggs. But here's a critical mistake people make. They cook it incorrectly. Deep frying or high-temperature grilling destroys essential nutrients and creates harmful substances. Mary, a 70-year-old grandmother from Texas, learned to gently steam or bake chicken with veggies rich in vitamin C, like bell peppers and spinach. This simple adjustment improved her muscle strength noticeably. Now, Mary comfortably walks her neighborhood every evening without fear of tiring quickly or losing balance. Plant-based foods also hold powerful muscle-building benefits that are often overlooked. Consider quinoa, a tiny seed packed with complete protein, magnesium, potassium, and iron. Linda, a 67-year-old retired nurse in California, struggled for years with low energy and unstable blood sugar due to her type 2 diabetes. Switching from processed grains to quinoa transformed her health. By soaking quinoa overnight to improve digestibility, Linda now experiences steady energy levels throughout the day, fewer blood sugar spikes, and improved muscle strength, demonstrating how dietary choices directly impact your overall health. Another often misunderstood yet potent food is soy. Soybeans provide essential amino acids crucial for muscle and bone health, especially beneficial for older adults. Barbara, a 72-year-old retired librarian from Ohio, initially hesitated due to misinformation about soy's effects. After integrating modest servings of tofu and soy milk into her diet, Barbara noticed significantly reduced joint pain and improved bone density scans. Contrary to popular myths, high-quality soy products, prepared simply and consistently, can greatly enhance your strength and stability. Lentils, the humble yet powerful legumes, deserve your attention as well. Frank, a 69-year-old retired firefighter from New York, faced chronic digestive issues, joint stiffness, and fluctuating energy levels. Adding lentils to his daily diet helped regulate his digestion, stabilized his energy, and soothed joint pain. Frank learned the critical step of soaking lentils before cooking to remove compounds blocking nutrient absorption. Today, he confidently says lentils helped him regain his daily vitality, allowing him to enjoy active hobbies once again. Finally, let's discuss cottage cheese, often misunderstood as merely diet food. Michael, a 71-year-old retired engineer from Michigan, discovered cottage cheese's hidden benefit: slow-digesting protein called casein. Eating cottage cheese nightly provided him a steady release of amino acids overnight, effectively rebuilding his muscle as he slept. He woke feeling refreshed, stronger, and more energetic. Cottage cheese, coupled with fruits or whole-grain crackers, became his nightly ritual, safeguarding him from muscle loss and fatigue. Here's the truth you must remember. Aging does not mean surrendering your strength. Each small nutritional adjustment brings you closer to reclaiming your independence and vitality. You have the power to fight sarcopenia today, not tomorrow, not next week, but today. Whether you start with a piece of gently prepared chicken, a nourishing quinoa salad, soy-rich soups, lentil stews, or a comforting bowl of cottage cheese before bed, the choice is yours. Each bite brings renewed strength, enhanced mobility, and restored confidence. Don't wait until weakness becomes disability. Take control of your health now. Your future self, your loved ones, and your quality of life depend on it. Remember, your strength, independence, and quality of life don't have to fade as you age. They can flourish, starting with the small, powerful choices you make today. If you found value in what you've learned here, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel, Elderly Healthcare, where we consistently share practical, science-backed tips designed specifically for older adults. But before you go, I'd love to hear your story. Have you noticed signs of muscle loss? Which of these foods will you start adding to your meals first? Share your experience in the comments below. Your voice could inspire someone else to take action and reclaim their strength too. Together, we can age confidently, actively, and independently. Subscribe, comment, and let's embark on this journey toward better health and stronger days ahead.